Hey there, do you accidentally wipe out your recent call history on your iPhone? No need to panic, there are a few ways you can try to get it back. Let's dive into how to recover deleted recent call history on your iPhone. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Next, tap your name at the top of the screen, then tap iCloud. Now scroll down again and select iCloud Backup. Tap Backups. Then pick your iPhone to check the date of the last backup. If that backup was created before you deleted your call history, you're good to go for the next step. Now go back to Settings. Tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Confirm the reset. Make sure you have a backup before proceeding with this step. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts. When you get to the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Finally, choose the backup that has your call history. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted recent call history on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy calling.